Contractual teachers under the umbrella of the Meghalaya Government LP School Contractual Teachers Association had gathered for a sit-in demonstration in front of the residence of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 1st of August 2022 to demand for reinstatement into their teaching positions after having been terminated from their job in January 2021. However, the teachers were later asked to move to the area opposite the MBOSE office in Shillong for their protest. The president of the Meghalaya Government LP School Contractual Teachers Association, Reinstatement, had questioned the Chief Minister and the Minister in charge of Education Department on their concerns for teachers who were made to run helter-skelter for fulfillment of demands. Reinstatement further informed that the Minister in charge of Education, Mglpscta, had even asked the teachers to go to states like Assam, New Delhi, Tripura and Jammu and Kashmir, as these states have the policy to reinstate teachers even after the retirement age. He added that despite having met the Chief Minister for 6 meetings, there has been no positive outcome whatsoever.
Nagalang jongi ka Meghalaya Government LP School Contractual Teacher Association ngibu ya kani ka jingkali ya usiam badan buram jongi ya Education Minister bat barok kabinet kinongi kai kide ki ai hapo ka state jongi la pensat sri ya barok kinongi kai nadu ad hoc SSA yangi contractual teacher ro ngide ki ai haka state ke jongi Education Minister lele ha ki banai ki balada bhabangi lai ban ya penbai dakababit dakaba suk basan ube penban yangi khilai cha Assam khilai cha Delhi khilai cha Tripura khilai cha Jammu Kashmir tengi deki ai hapo ka state ka jongi man ki kam ngi haban mi surok yangi la sabe kam nadu arjal arpuai Januari kajing be kam de kajing bakla jongi kade kajing bakla jong ke sarkar lathong yangi balika ki government LP school but upper primary school nadu kisnam arjal shipau tartar nilekai shipau snam tam hagi school ni haban ya lai saukanta bantur chakandong chakanshot baro kawai ban penyo jingnang jingstat yaki khon ki khti jongkari perkajai banreu Hanrai manta habakap kasnam ka jongi longsho banlai watkam shawer him longsho ngila cross saupau sanpau snam ngila trai chipau snam manta ki ong you are not qualified andala si thanks ngi haba ngilai plus ngi andala poi shibaji ki ong yangi khilai no ngim don by siu suyapi tingin lai ai adin si thanks ngi chanong in lai don ki parano ikai jongi kibla khat no marsan be kam ka sarkar kelon kensan te pilih ayun na kebentai ni no ikai bela khat no kadongon na preng jongi parano ikai ka sarkar ka kwa bakin khat no ikai jongi bela khat no miss aidalin nongrang hamoloi teng idai disabled teacher ibam laya hamal ki lakrpat ka jingjau umat anrei hau January hau February jong arpuai trik jong mentau snam lakhat no klon kensan aying idon laingut ki khun la tap don burom ye ka ar flight trick inga kwa ban bu ke ne ke jingkali ka sarkar